Alright, Harmony Science Academy Algebra 2. We're looking at two special cases for CBA9. Okay, you guys have the skills to do this, but they're a little different than before spring break. I can't have any bad emails from you guys. Okay, so here we go. This first one, what is a cubic polynomial? Okay, this should not be hard for you guys. Cubic third power. Okay, so it'll be, right, the degree will be 3, the highest one, in standard form with these zeros. So these are zeros. So we're going to go backwards, just like we talked about in class already, okay? But I want to actually have you guys see it so there's less excuses why you don't succeed, okay? So I can put these in factored form, okay? Minus -6 okay? So really I have these. All right. So now it becomes a game of multiplication, okay? Distribution specifically. So I'm going to do these two first, and I'll deal with him after, okay? So x times x, and if it helps, we can call this p of x, right? It's a polynomial. So x times x, x squared, 6x minus 3x minus 18. Okay, that's very important there. Again, you have these skills, but sometimes you take them for granted, okay? So let's go ahead and clean this up here a bit. Specifically in here, 6x minus 3x. Okay, so I'm one distribution away from getting this done, okay? So here we go. This guy with this guy, x cubed (7x squared) plus 3x squared, that's 21x, minus 18x, and we have a big number here, which is what? 5665. Okay, so there. At this point, you guys should feel really good because you've distributed. Now you just got to simplify. Okay, this should be a happy moment for you guys. So x cubed, done. 10x squared, done. Okay, I've got 21 and 18, that's 3. And if you're iffy, put that in the calculator. 21 minus 18, which gives us 3, minus 126. Okay. Again, this is an important test, so you have to put on the side, multiply 6, 7. Okay. You're going to have calculators, so go ahead and take advantage of that. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. All right. Whoops. All right, so it's this problem here. Let me see if I can copy it. Okay. Minus 25x equals negative. Let me double check if that's correct here. Alright, I do have it wrong, so it should be 144. Alright, again, you guys have this skill set. You take it for granted, but here we go. Let's have you guys stare it right in the eyes, okay? And you guys decide if you're going to take the challenge on. and get this taken care of. Okay. All right. So I also see that I have the wrong exponent, and that's what makes this one so interesting. So let me. Okay, and hopefully you guys can see that all of us are guilty of just copying wrong. Okay. So be on the lookout. Anyways, so this is a unique situation because typically this is a square or a cube, right? But it's a fourth, and we observe that this guy here also happens to be something pretty special. Okay. So anyways, let's go ahead and break this guy down here. So I can appreciate that x squared times x squared will give me x to the fourth. Okay. All right. Now the approach is different, but again, you guys have the skills. But anyways, so here I need two numbers that multiply. Okay. Let me set it up this way first. I think this is going to help you guys understand what I'm looking at. Okay. I'm going to set it up this way so that it's very similar approach to what we've done with those basic factoring polynomial problems. Okay. Two numbers that multiply to give me this one. Okay, when added. So it's going to be negative 16 and negative 9. Okay. Okay, so that right there, very simple. Again, you already kind of have a guide, but you don't want to stop here because these are themselves pretty special. Basic, but special. Okay, now I shouldn't have to do this, but I'll do it again for those of you guys that care, maybe forgot. Okay, this is technically, okay, x squared plus 0x. There's no middle term, right? Minus 9. X squared plus 0x minus 16. Okay? But again, you guys are becoming big boys and big girls, so you don't need this, but we have it there. Okay? So put it in there and keep yourself safe for the test. So anyways, two numbers that multiply to give me negative 9 and add to give me 0. Okay? These are the fun ones, you guys. So it's going to be negative 3 and plus 3. Okay? These guys will give me this. I got to do the same thing here. Two numbers that multiply to give me negative 16 and add to give me 0. Okay, so there it is. Oh, and of course they're asking for the roots. So don't forget to go to that extra step, set each one equal to 0. Get you that full credit. Okay, do the basic math, and we've got x equals 3, x equals negative 3, x equals 4, x equals negative 4. All right, that's more than enough time. We'll catch you in class, guys.